I'm glad to welcome you to the production line of the GeoSM group of companies. My name is Vyacheslav Nekorkin. I'm the founder of the company. Today I will take you on an online tour where I'll show you the production process of the volumetric geogrid. First, let me tell you a bit about our company. GeoSM was founded in 2012 and has come a long way from being just a regular trading company to becoming a market leader in geosynthetic production. GeoSM is a manufacturer of high-quality geosynthetic materials under its own brand, Geocell. And now I suggest we start our tour. The whole process starts with preparing the mixture. The mixing happens inside the hopper with a rotating screw, and then it goes into the extruder's chamber. After that, the raw material goes through the preparation process in the extruder, where it is transformed into a liquid mass using high temperatures. Next, this mass is fed onto rollers with a textured surface. Here, the thickness of the tape and its texture are created. The next stage is the stretching and cutting of the edge. The edge is crushed for further processing. Using a hydraulic press, drainage holes are punched into the geogrid tape. After perforation, the material is fed into a compensating accumulator, which is necessary for the uninterrupted operation of the line during the cutting of the sheet. The height of the volumetric geogrid module is set using rotating knives. Next, the strips are laid out along their length. The material has gone through all the preliminary preparation processes. One of the final stages is the ultrasonic welding of the strips together. This is where the cell size is formed. The material is ready. We're moving on to the final stage, packing the finished module with straps and placing it on pallets. Today we talked in detail about the production process of volumetric geogrid. The operation of all systems is a coordinated and well-rehearsed process. Every day, GeoSM professionals monitor the quality of the products produced. Thank you for being with us.